We are getting you the absolute latest quick updates here of the ongoing hearing of the NCB's argument in court to extend custody of the arrests that were made yesterday connected to the Mumbai drugs bust case here. The Esplanade Court has heard arguments from both sides. It has sent the three arrested Aryan Khan, Arbaz Seth Merchant and Moon Dameja to NCB custody till the 7th October. So this is 3 more days of custody that has been given to the NCB. Remember, in the arguments, the NCB was looking for a custody of at least 1 week right up to the 11th of October. But counter arguments that were raised by at least Satish Manish Shinde, who is representing Aryan Khan in this case here, saying that there is nothing that has been found on him, no drugs, and cannot be kept in custody in this manner, just basis WhatsApp chats. We have with us Mayuresh Ganpati, who's getting us further details here on this. Mayuresh, it seems the court has decided to take into account both sides of the argument. So this is not an extension of 7 days as sought by the NCB. They've been given another 3 days of custody.
Absolutely, they have been given another 3 days custody. If you remember that both sides are basically heavily argued, where NCB put forward their argument saying that they were caught with, there was a seizure with accused number 2 and they gave the quantity also. And they said that we have found chats where we have found that accused number 1, who is Aryan Khan, he's basically chatting with people, and it's kind of an international racket, which seems we need to have their custody to know more about the finances, how they paid, what was the mode of payment they used, and what exactly they were talking, what exactly is the relation, how many times he has purchased or he has consumed. Whereas the defense was totally in favor that they should not get the custody, because all basically sections of NDPS Act, they are basically bailable, which has been slapped against all the accused. But court has basically, after listening to both the sides, they have decided to give 3 more days custody to NCB. Now it is very important that in these 3 days, what NCB gets information, what kind of information NCB gets from them, because while arguing in the court, NCB clearly said that for further interrogation and investigation, they require these 3 accused who have been arrested in this case, and they need them to know more about this drug racket, because it seems that there is some kind of international link to it, because while chatting or while exchanging the messages, these people as well as the peddlers have used the code name. So to decode that, they need the custody, and that's why the 3-day custody has been granted. Back to you.